Everyone, tonight for supper, I'll be making Instant Pot chicken soup. What all goes into the Instant Pot chicken soup? 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots sliced, 2 celery stalks sliced, 3 garlic cloves minced. I'll be using the already minced stuff. 1 pound chicken breasts or thighs. I've got thighs, and I'll be using half of this package. 6 cups chicken broth, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon parsley, salt, and pepper to taste. Optional noodles or rice to add at the end. I'll be adding noodles. First thing you want to do is to make your noodles because they need to be already cooked when you add them. So let's begin. All right, so my microphone wasn't on. I turned my pot on to sauté. Then when it turned on, I added my oil. When it said it was hot, I added my 1 onion, my 2 carrots, my 2 celery sticks, and my 3 cloves of garlic. And I'm sautéing this until all of the vegetables are softened. Which it looks like almost everything is except for maybe the carrots. So I don't want everything else to turn to mush. The carrots are not real soft, but with the pressure cooking, I'm hoping they will get done. So we'll shut this off. Then we're going to add our chicken pieces, and I have 4 pieces of thighs. Add your 6 cups of chicken broth. And you want to make sure you don't go over the fill line. Okay, so we got our chicken broth in there. And then our 1 teaspoon of thyme, our 1 teaspoon of parsley, and salt and pepper to taste. Take the lid, lock the lid in, turn it to seal. Pressure cook, high pressure, we don't want warm, and then we want to go to 7 minutes. Okay, it's on, and then as soon as the pressure builds up, it'll start counting down from 7 minutes on down. It got up to pressure, now it's going to start cooking down to 7 minutes. So it is done. We'll hit cancel. And we'll do a quick release. So the little pressure release button went down. It is safe to open up the lid. Make sure you keep your hand away from the food or it will burn you. We'll take out the chicken and then we're going to shred it. Put your chicken back into the Instant Pot. Be careful it don't splash. And then give it a stir. If you want to add noodles or rice, do so now. And then stir that in. Once you get it all stirred up, and then you can dish it up. So here is the Instant Pot chicken soup. Rounding out the meal is a buttermilk biscuit. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Chicken?
Yes, Instant Pot chicken soup.
Okay. I didn't know if it was some of our leftover turkey.
No, we ate all that.
Pretty nice on a cold day, and I've been sick, so that's a double bonus.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.